Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best pearl snap shirt on the market, the Wrangler Men's Sport Western 2-Pocket Long Sleeve Snap Shirt. If you're a fan of Western style, quality craftsmanship, and functional design, this shirt might just be your new favorite. Right from the start, the Wrangler Sport Western shirt stands out with its classic Western styling. It features authentic Dobby stripe fabric, which gives it a subtle textured look that adds character without being over the top. The signature Western yokes on the front and back emphasize that rugged cowboy vibe, blending tradition with a modern fit. Speaking of fit, this shirt offers a classic fit that sits comfortably at the waist with a standard length, making it perfect for tucking in or leaving untucked depending on your style. The shirt tail hem is designed with versatility in mind, so you can wear it in a way that suits your occasion, whether casual or more dressy. One of the most popular features is the snap closure system. Instead of traditional buttons, this shirt has pearl snaps across the front, on the flap chest pockets, and on the cuffs. This not only adds to the Western aesthetic but also makes it super easy to put on and take off. The snaps are designed for durability and style, enhancing the overall look without sacrificing functionality. The fabric composition is a blend of 84% polyester and 16% cotton. This mix makes the shirt durable, wrinkle-resistant, and easy to care for, while still maintaining a soft feel against the skin. It's machine washable, which is always a bonus for everyday wear. The wrinkle resistance and permanent center crease mean that you can stay looking sharp without needing to iron frequently. In terms of pockets, you get two snap flap chest pockets that are functional and add to the authentic Western look. These pockets are great for keeping small essentials or just contributing to the shirt's balanced design. This Wrangler shirt is imported but stays true to the brand's long-standing reputation for quality and style. It's perfect for those who want that Western flair combined with practical everyday wearability. Whether you're headed to a casual outing, work, or even church, this shirt covers the bases with style and comfort. Overall, the Wrangler Men's Sport Western 2-Pocket Long Sleeve Snap Shirt offers an excellent combination of classic Western style, convenient pearl snap closures, and easy care fabric. It's a great option for anyone looking to add a reliable and stylish pearl snap shirt to their wardrobe. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product breakdowns. Until next time, stay sharp and stylish.